Guys, why does every Bollywood movie make it their mission to reveal the whole story in the trailer? Oh, we already knew the story of this movie. Okay, so no spoilers really? Oh, okay, fine. I thought that was Rohit Shetty made this movie. The number one dilemma I'm having, guys, though, is that when we do watch the movie, because of the bhakti that just, like peers out of my pores, because of my bhakti, I'm gonna tear up and cry. What do I do if that happens? Wait.
Hey, wipe it off.
That's what we're gonna do, guys. We are gonna wipe it off. When the bhakti gets too much, we wipe it off. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. My name is Nadesh Thakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Momin, Ram Ram.
अरे वाह भाई हो गया conversion number 1 done.
Abbas came prepared.
Yes. Also, guys, we have Ramayana's trailer has come out. Ramayana or Ramayana? Because they are calling it Ramayana, Rama, Ravana. What are we as Indians, what are we sticking to?
I'm sticking to Ramayan.
Ramayana, because the A does not exist at the end of the name.
Of course not, bro.
Yeah. Ranbira is playing Rama.
Directed by Namit Malhotra.
Namita. Just all of that, dude. Never ends. What do you guys think? So basically, this is going to be our trailer review for Ramayana. Firstly, do you think they came out with the trailer on time, like the way it should be? Or did they come out with it too late? Or is it too soon? Because they're still like 4 months away from the main movie.
4 months?
December में है ना? कब है?
October, bhai.
Diwali, bro.
दिवाली में है ना? Oh,
Yeah.
my bad.
Christmas पे नहीं release होगी
I'm
यार.
thinking of I was
Wrong
thinking of
God.
Merry Christmas. Okay.
Which I'm wearing a shirt of anyway.
Oh wow, what are yours?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? So then is it like the apt time to
Yeah.
have released it, or have they?
I think so, yeah. I think it's the correct time. Honestly speaking, the trailer was longer than I expected. I thought they would release like a 2.5 minute look,
Yeah.
but it's almost clocking in at 4.5 minutes, I think.
Lucky.
So, clocking in Ramayan trailer of all places. I think हाँ सही टाइम पे रिलीज किया. लोग बहुत रेस्टलेस हो रहे थे कुछ तो देखने के लिए.
बहुत ज्यादा रेस्टलेस हो रहे थे because there was quite literally nothing that had released of the film. और जो पहला रिलीज हुआ था वो बहुत ही half baked, half cooked लग रहा था. ये लोगों ने अपना थोड़ा ऐसा ट्रोलिंग में या कमेंट्स में भी बताया. फिर उसके बाद टीम ने खुद ही बोल दिया कि अरे अभी वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है भाई, थमो. फिर उसके बाद अब ये निकाला है. This actually looks way better than what the teaser was at least.
Okay, so yeah, fair. Also, I will say that a lot of the contention is also coming from what we already discussed, that these guys keep fucking going to America to drop these trailers first and then show them to us. Like we are some second-hand fucking audience. If it's 2026, you can release the trailer on the same day everywhere if you want to. There's no,
Yeah, bro, they did. That's why they released it at like 4:15.
15 in the afternoon, yes, in the morning. But why show it first at Comic-Con was the question. Is this the exact same trailer that we saw at Comic-Con? Seems like it, right?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, I think so, yes.
Pretty much seems like it. Has this then... We'll get into the different aspects of the trailer, but Mota, before we get into it, I want to get your initial thoughts. Did this then change your anticipation or your thoughts of how good the movie is going to be and the CGI is going to be as compared to when the teaser came out? Starting with
Snail.
Yes, a little for sure.
Oh,
But
really?
I'm like, yeah. So like one scene in particular was the Airavat scene. That scene was very good for me. Like it landed for me very well.
Which one is the Airavat one?
The one where there's this flying elephant.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, the winged elephant.
Yes. So that scene like landed well with me. And
Dude,
though the elephant didn't, but but it landed well with me.
But I thought that even that scene left something to be required, because sure, the shot of Ravan going up and punching the flying elephant is pretty cool, but show me more of the impact. Why, if you're doing CG, go all out in CG, dude. What are you doing?
अरे वो पिक्चर
Where
में
is the
देखने को मिलेगा ना,
$4,000?
ट्रेलर में.
Bro, no, yeah.
ट्रेलर
but
के लिए ट्रेलर के हिसाब से ठीक है
fair.
यार.
चल ठीक है, fair. I'll give you that. But if in the movie I'm not seeing the impact of the punch to show me the power that is Ravan or Ravana, as you guys keep saying it, please, then that's a lost opportunity for me. Because there's so much cool stuff happening in the way people show impact and action in movies, and how like there's the entire videos of Jackie Chan from back in the day, because he was such a amazing action director back in the day, talking about how to show action properly and impact and power properly just through camera cut shots. So they haven't done that. I'm hoping they do.
So one thing that I'm particularly very excited about is the fact that they've shown Ravan's like rise to Lankesh, like how he wins like over the three worlds, right? जैसे उसके अंदर पहला, as you were talking, कि when he's walking through the gates of Lanka and someone asks कि तू कौन है, and he says कि तुम्हारा नया राजा. That is probably that's probably
Hindi speaking way. तुम्हारा नया राजा. And then
तुम जानते हो वो कौन है. But yeah, that's probably gonna lead to a fight with Kuber, and then उसके बाद obviously the scene that we were talking about, the Airavat scene, who is the king of elephants, and the ride of Lord Indra. That's probably the fight where Ravan wins over the Devlok. And just the fact that, like Ravan, a human, can actually was able to actually jump and punch the king of elephants, जिनके अंदर probably पूरे दुनिया के सारे हाथियों की ताकत है, and he falls to the ground in one punch. That in itself shows big impact, and मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया वो वाला scene देख के. That and the one where we have Jatayu and Ravan वाला fight, वो वाला sequence मुझे अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही छोटा glimpse है,
Yeah,
but वो CGI मुझे अच्छा लगा.
I hope it's good. Just a quick thing about Kuber for actors, for fellow actors out there. What is the significance of Kuber in acting? Does anyone know this? Nobody knows. Kuber building is a building in Lokhandwala which houses Sinta. सिंटा कार्ड चाहिए किसी को, एक्टर कार्ड, एक्टर यूनियन कार्ड. Correct, no, it's still there, no? It's
Nice.
Kuber building, no?
I
I have no idea.
You guys, what are you guys saying? You guys know, got a
मेरे को
Sinta
लगा
card
कुछ
or your-
हिस्टोरिकल कुछ
भाई
निकालेगा.
कसम से.
Kuber was the first one who performed on stage,
Guys.
ऐसा कुछ बोलेगा.
ब्रो. और मुझे भाई, आप तो यहाँ थे, मैं पहुंच गया था कि जो एक्टिंग के 9 रस होते हैं उसमें से कहीं कोई लॉजिक तो नहीं है. मेरे को लगा थिएटर अभी आने वाला है इसके अंदर.
भाई क्या मैं इंटेलेक्चुअल हूँ क्या यार? Since when
अरे
have I
आपने
ever
सीखा है
thought-
ना, आपने एक्टिंग सीखा है ना सीधा.
भाई मैंने अनुपम खेर से, मैंने जटायु से सीखी थी एक्टिंग.
सही है.
Okay, so let's break it down then. The trailer, let's get into it properly. The
अरे
trailer
मेरे से तो
opens-
पूछ मेरे
Oh,
ओपिनियन.
I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry.
Just because I'm not a Hindu.
Yeah. I'm like, the less Abbas speaks on this, the better.
is better, yeah.
Go
Oh,
ahead.
just
What do
like
you
the country, you mean?
Yes.
Never mind. So, bro, if you were in 2017-18, right, and this trailer would have come out, I think I would have been way more impressed by this. In
I would have been like, oh,
2026
Brahmastra? Oh, okay.
Bro, so honestly speaking, so here's the thing, right? जब से रामायण announce हुई है, there's been this whole conversation कि CGI is going to be world class.
Dude,
The special
they are
effects
selling it on
gonna
the
be
CGI.
great.
You're absolutely right. They're selling it less almost on the actors and more on the CG, which is crazy to me.
Yeah. So if that is your benchmark कि भाई इंडियन फिल्म में या हिंदी फिल्म में आज तक का बेस्ट CGI जो देखने को मिलेगा, maybe on that front you are probably right. But honestly speaking यार 4-4.5 मिनट के ट्रेलर में मेरे को about 75 to 80% of the ट्रेलर मेरे को वीडियो गेम कट सीन्स जैसा लगा.
Bro, all the
Everything
Rakshas
looks
and animal
too
shots.
polished.
Yeah.
And I watched Spider-Man today morning, okay? तो मेरे को वो
there is a culture-
हल्क वाले शॉट्स
Culture
हल्क वाले शॉट्स और राक्षस
Yeah.
वाले शॉट्स लग रहा था ये थोड़ा बहुत कॉपी पेस्ट टाइप लग रहा है यार.
Oh, even
But,
Hulk is not good, is not well done in Spider-Man, is what you're saying?
No, but you can clearly say it's CGI. मतलब वो एक CGI वाली जो लुक होती है ना, which I get. राक्षस आपको दिखाना है, आपको larger than life. जैसे वो एक शॉट है कि जब रावण कहता है रावण राज, तो ऐसे millions of people are at his feet and they are, you know, या वो लोग हैं या राक्षस है, मुझे पता नहीं. बट उस लेवल के स्केल के लिए आपको CGI यूज करना पड़ेगा, I get. But smaller like jungle scenes or indoor scenes, the look is too polished, bro. Like,
Bro, you're right. You're right. No, go ahead. Like even the things I noticed, like to your point,
yeah.
dude. Like I noticed that even like daylight seems weird. Like the way light
A little,
falls
yeah,
on people's
manufactured.
bodies, like be it moonlight or sunlight, it seems.
वही मैं कर रहा हूँ ना,
not
वीडियो गेम के क्रिएशन में आपको पता था हर एक चीज इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड टू प्ले अप टू दैट वीडियो गेम का लुक, राइट?
Because all the lighting is done in post. Yeah.
फिर जब राम और सीता वाले जो सीन्स हैं वेयर शी इज बेसिकली सेइंग कि अगर आप वनवास पे जाएंगे तो मुझे भी आपके साथ आना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आई एम योर वाइफ. ब्रो उस पूरे सीन का जो लुक है, इट लुक्स लाइक अ ज्वेलरी एड. लाइक द लाइटिंग, द कॉस्ट्यूम, इट्स अ लिटिल टू परफेक्ट. आई वुड हैव एक्सपेक्टेड अ लिटिल मोर grimy, little more human touch, little more griminess, little more and especially आफ्टर वीव सीन दी ऑडिसी, राइट? ऑडिसी में भी मतलब वो वॉर सीन्स में आप देखोगे तो लोगों के जो शक्ल है वो गंदे हैं. देयर आर यू नो आर्मर के ऊपर आपको वो वुंड्स दिखेंगे,
चिंक्स दिख रहे हैं,
चिंक्स दिख रहे हैं, इंडेंटेशंस दिख रहे हैं. अब तक हमने जो देखा ये 4-4.5 मिनट के ट्रेलर में, यार सब कुछ बहुत ही, इट्स अ लिटिल टू परफेक्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम अ लिटिल कंसर्न्ड अबाउट. यार क्यों वो थोड़ा आर्टिफिशियलनेस की तरफ जा रहा है वो.
Prim and proper, Ishan. Prim and proper.
That for a tale like the Ramayana, which is revered, which is इसको पूजा जाता है, वो मेरे को थोड़ा मतलब that of all things should not look artificial. Your heart should go out. And I'm sorry to say, but bro, like I'm a little worried about Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir, yeah, bro.
I was even writing that down. I was like, don't forget to mention Ranbir is still coming off as very hit or miss.
You know, a couple of years ago there was this thing where like faces in Hollywood में ये था कि जब period films वो बनाते हैं, faces that look like they've seen an iPhone. You know, there was this whole thing कि अगर आप विक्टोरियन एरा का कुछ दिखाओगे तो, लेकिन अगर if you cast like a 17-year-old from 2025 or 2026, their face looks like they've seen an iPhone. So it's like when Ranbir Kapoor is saying these things, right? कि मैं रावण का वध करूंगा, ये वो. I'm like, bro, you're a Juhu Bandra boy. आप अयोध्या के प्रिंस हो. मेरे को वो फीलिंग क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
Bro, मैं आपको बताऊं, वो वाला सीन है ना जिसमें वो क्या कहते हैं, लारा दत्ता से बात कर रहे हैं कि मेरी लाइक यू नो व्हाटएवर यू सेड, कहीं से हाँ कि लाइक व्हाटएवर यू सेड, वो तो मैं तो अपना वो ले चुका हूँ, डिसीजन ले चुका हूँ. डूड आई स्वेयर आई वाज लाइक ये 10 सेकंड और बोलेगा और ये बोलेगा आयशा मैं और क्या कर सकता हूँ आपके लिए. I swear I was like, मुझे सच में लग रहा था अभी थोड़ी देर में बोलेगा कि अभी भाई मैं नैना में भागना चाहता हूँ, मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं सब कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I was like, and you know, dude, there's this. I was watching this trailer and I think I watched this trailer twice at this point. Dude, there's this one scene where Ranbir walks out, like when they actually introduce कि like मेरा ज्येष्ठ पुत्र राम, and उसके बाद 2-3 shots, and then there is this जो teaser में भी था where he's walking into like the light.
Right, yeah.
You know, he has this smile, like a little smile जो मतलब smile भी नहीं है, but like lips are like ठीक है ऐसा. Dude, it's quite literally looking like जैसे वो रॉक स्टार में पीयूष मिश्रा को मसाज नहीं मिल रही होती और वो हंसी रोक के बैठा होता है, वो वाला एक्सप्रेशन लग रहा है यार.
Dude, yeah, like so the casting still feels off for multiple people, not just Ranbir.
Yash as Ravan,
bro,
fucking kills it. Yeah, agreed.
Killed it.
But in to me, right, not just Ram, Rakul Preet seems weird as a casting choice for Surpanakha. Okay.
Yeah, but you've not seen enough of anyone.
Correct, fair. But dude, just off the top of my head, first glimpse, it seems a little weird to me. Then Sai Pallavi is still, we've really, I hope she does a good job. But as of now, nothing that really sells me on it. But who also did not, again, very little to see, but Ravi Dubey looked a little weird to
As
me
Lakshman, yeah.
dude. Looks
Yeah.
like a little too old, or looks like Ranbir's older brother almost. ये 50 साल के आदमी राम जी का ये बड़ा भाई लग रहा है.
उसके चेहरे पे उतना VFX नहीं मारा रहेगा ना अभी.
हाँ, that's the problem.
But one thing that I actually liked, so सीता माँ को इन्होंने like the warrior princess की तरह दिखाया, like not a lot of depictions of Ramayana or Ramayan show Sita Ma as the warrior princess. She was very well like learned when it comes to अस्त्र शस्त्र, right? So इसमें उन्होंने like there is this one sequence where she's actually using a sword and उनके एक हाथ में ढाल है. I think that could be like an interesting portrayal because we have not seen that. हमेशा से हमें यही दिखाया गया कि like the story starts from the स्वयंवर, right? And उसके अलावा हमें कोई like layer नहीं दिखाया गया in the popular depictions of Ramayana. So इसमें अगर वो ये लोग एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं that could be interesting. That's why like these are the few bits जो मुझे पसंद है जो हमने usually नहीं देखे हैं. Like Ravan's rise to being Lankesh, and then obviously
that's
the Eravat chapter, the Kuber chapter, and then obviously this portrayal of Sita Ma. I think this could be interesting.
What do you guys think of Kumbhakaran ka monster design?
छोटा सा glimpse, हाँ.
Bro, didn't like it. Bro, so one point where I didn't like the CGI was where they tried to show like huge monsters. वो मुझे बहुत ही carry किया. And the animals, actually. Animals ही बहुत video game लग रहे थे.
A lot of people were saying that it seems like after the previous teasers that came out, people were really making fun or not liking the designs of the creature designs, basically, the monster designs.
Yeah.
Right?
तो अब सबको तिलक लगा दिया ना, देखा नहीं
सबको तिलक लगा दिया वही. अब बोल के देखो. What a hack, dude. What a hack that is. Great.
Also I was like मैं रणबीर के सपोर्ट में पहनेगा, but उसने कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास सपोर्ट वाला किया नहीं.
Oh, by the way, I think they've also shown what's going to be the end of this movie in this trailer, like that part where
मैं सीता को वापस लेके आऊंगा.
Correct. I think that's going to be the end of the movie. It seems like. Well be.
Probably. Do we
Like
want to?
part 1, part 2 types. That's where it seems like it would.
Yeah,
be.
probably.
Yeah.
Do we want to talk about the big talking point on the internet, which is that there's absolutely no glimpse of Hanuman?
Oh yeah, that's Sunny Deol is playing.
Sunny
Hanuman,
Deol
right?
Playing Hanuman, yes.
Yeah.
That
Bro,
was
I
the
think
big
they could
talking
actually.
point, yeah.
Bro, I
I
think
hope
they
they
could
save
actually
it.
be keeping. Yeah. Yeah.
You think the CGI is still not complete on Sunny?
I mean that
It's
could
still
also-
smoothing out his face.
That could be.
So the thing is, what they've told, what the news is that हनुमान जी का जो part है वो ज़्यादा नहीं है फिल्म में. Like I think that's the cliffhanger.
That's
What
the
I feel the
part
what I feel the cliffhanger would be कि वो लोग सेतु तक पहुंचेंगे या सेतु बनाने लगेंगे एंड वहां खत्म हो जाएगा.
अक्षय कुमार खड़ा होगा.
He's lifting up that rock thing.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Continue. Snail.
हाँ तो मुझे यही लग रहा है कि आई थिंक या तो वो सेतु बनाने वाले होंगे या सेतु बना के बस लंका पहुंचेंगे और वहां पे क्या कहते हैं खत्म हो जाएगी. बट क्लिफ हैंगर, हाँ मतलब आई वाज लाइक कि उस लाइक आई थिंक आई डोंट रिमेंबर हु सेड इट बट समवन वाज लाइक कि ऐसे क्लिफ हैंगर पे छोड़ा है हमने कि आई एम लाइक भाई ऐसा क्या ही तुम नया बताने वाले हो मुझे, ठीक है, जो मैं मतलब एज इन जो अभी तक नहीं पता है मुझे in Ramayana at least.
So what I will say, right? There are a certain like tropes when it comes to like action movies and historical whatever battle movies and all that I really like, which is like when you are explained the significance of a particular weapon or a sword or a bow in this example, the scene of who is the saint who gives the dhanush to Bhagwan Ram.
I think that's Lord Parshuram, which is also being played by Ranbir.
Oh, okay.
Oh, are you
Yeah,
sure of this?
yeah. That's the.
wondering
I think
why
he's
the skin
confirmed
seems
it.
A little CG.
Yeah, he's confirmed it.
Is it a CG character?
I don't think so.
It doesn't. Okay. I'm hoping that scene lands well. Because the shot of Parshuram handing the bow over to Ram looks pretty cool to me. So I hope that's like a nice.
Guess where he confirmed it? In the US.
Comic-Con.
Where else? इंडिया में तो नहीं करेगा. इंडिया में करेगा सब.
Also, bro, ये Arun Govil ka lip movement seemed a little off in the trailer. So I don't know if
As
how much
Dashrath.
of the modification
Dashrath,
they
right?
अरे वो बीच में राम की लाइंस बोल देते होंगे यार.
Oh sorry. मैंने गलत वाला पढ़ लिया. Oh, sorry. Sorry, गलत
सर ये
पढ़ लिया.
1989 नहीं है सर, हम 2026 में आ चुके हैं. Oh, sorry. Any notes about the music, guys? Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman.
That's actually the most exciting part of the movie right now, dude, for me. Like the only.
But again,
actual
nothing
thing that I
really
feel quite-
stood out.
No, fair. But what, dude? I've been watching a lot of like small reels of A.R. Rahman talking about his collab with Hans Zimmer here, and he seems actually pretty excited about it and pretty like gung ho
Wow.
about it. So I'm hoping that उन्हें कुछ तो
Snail.
खड़ा है.
भाई कितना
बोरिंग में wow.
भाई वो कह दो रहा हूँ कितना सैड स्टेट है कि हम काम को देख के नहीं किसी और की एक्साइटमेंट अबाउट वर्किंग विद समवन एल्स को देख के सोचने हैं कि हाँ बढ़िया होगा.
Dude, it's a historical moment. If it works, what a historical moment. Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman together.
नहीं I
No,
agree.
see, I mean, it will not be bad anyway because I mean both of them are great. But for example, like have you guys seen Dune Part 3 का ट्रेलर जो आया है?
Yeah.
उसमें वो
D-Neck ने
हांस
बनाया
जिमर
ना
का
अभी.
म्यूजिक हाँ डी-नेक ने बनाया. Hans Zimmer is giving the score for that as well as with the first two Dune movies. But वो पूरा ट्रेलर टीजर जो भी है, it like वो Hans Zimmer का स्कोर उसका बैकबोन है. Like the visuals build based on Hans Zimmer's scores escalation. उस टाइप का मेरे को इसमें थोड़ी कमी लगी. There are few moments जैसे when Sita's reveal happens, the music changes, it becomes much softer, much more gentle, and it's clearly you can hear A.R. Rahman's influence there. That I felt like it's great. But yeah, I mean, we'll wait for the final soundtrack when it comes out. Hopefully, each character will have their own themes and all. जैसा again Hollywood films में होता है.
Yeah.
Do you
So
think
what
they will have like songs in the film?
Oh, like breakaway dance song, romantic song, that kind of songs.
हाँ मतलब मुझे
Breakaway dance.
ब्रेक अवे तो नहीं बट लाइक जैसे अब फॉर एक डांस सीक्वेंस जो मुझे दिखा वो ये था कि जब लाइक रावण जब रावण थ्रोन पे बैठा होगा तो उसने लाइक वो करवाया होगा कि भाई चलो सेलिब्रेशन में करो.
हाँ, आई थिंक होंगे यार क्योंकि म्यूजिक इज अ बिग सेलिंग पॉइंट इन इंडिया फॉर एनी मूवी.
Dude, I don't think they're gonna have the classic song.
No, I can see when Ram is going away on
lip sync नहीं होने वाला है. I don't think lip sync sequence नहीं होने वाला.
यार लिप सिंक
वो
तो
शायद
कैसे
नहीं
ही
हो.
होगा ना यार.
हाँ वही तो ना. नहीं, it can be like Dashrath is singing for his long lost son or something. हो सकता है यार.
नहीं होगा भाई.
इसमें शायद नहीं होगा.
पर करने के लिए तो
again Antariksh, remember they are selling it to the West. The West doesn't like lip syncing unless
Dude,
it's a musical.
Have you not seen the end of Lord of the Rings, bro? The third movie where
when
sings.
when they break into
Aragorn sings in the end of the third movie.
जो जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा में एंड में गाना होता है ना वो
सूरज की
बाहों में
अब नई जिंदगी
The Fellowship sings the whole song.
इंतजार.
Okay.
अच्छी चीजें क्या लगी guys तुम लोग? Antariksh, what did you think of you haven't told us your
Dude,
opinion.
Basically, we have an upcoming episode coming out of this show, guys. Whoever's tuning in, firstly, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tell a friend about it. We have an upcoming episode coming up where we have talked about how Ramayana.
Which is a members only episode, so become a member to listen to that.
Oh yeah,
episode.
that also. Oh sorry, so then I shouldn't have maybe teased it like that. But
अरे
No,
कोई
please
बात
tease.
नहीं.
Tease.
yeah.
Tease
So
more.
what we've
Yeah,
what we've
because
talked about-
nobody does it better.
Thank you. Does it better? Does it
रामायण
better?
के एपिसोड में तौबा तौबा.
What I would like to say is that basically on that episode we talked quite a bit about how nothing that the Ramayana team seems to be teasing or promoting or whatever promotions that have come out with it, none of it seems to be really that all that exciting or novel in any way to seem to get me any kind of hyped in any way. For the most part, everything is lackluster ही चल रहा है और उसी level पे चल रहा है. Nothing is getting me like, oh, that blew my mind, oh, that was awesome, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna end up watching it because it's gonna be one of the biggest, it's one of the most financially invested movie in Bollywood ever in history.
Yeah.
But I'm not having like crazy expectations like this is gonna change how Bollywood is perceived in the West, in the world,
I
or even
agree,
within
I
India
agree.
itself. I hope
So
they
एक
prove me
चीज
wrong.
I
I
think-
really want them to prove me
Yeah.
wrong. But
मैं वही बोलने वाला था कि आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक रॉन्ग अबाउट द फैक्ट कि भाई मैं उतना एक्साइटेड क्यों नहीं इस फिल्म को लेके वंस आई वॉच द फिल्म. बट अभी तक वन थिंग दैट आई वाज रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वाज ऑब्वियसली एक तो द स्केल दैट द फिल्म हैज 4,000 करोड़ कितनी बारी तो बम्बार्ड कर दिया भाई. एंड 4,000 करोड़ वाली वेरी ऑनेस्टली कोई इतनी मेजर बात तो लगी नहीं है.
Bro, again, this is like, is this money laundering all over again? Is this Adipurush times 2 because they have a bigger
Times
budget?
two.
I mean, let's not be that flimsy also. It's way
But
better.
are you
Looks way better than
correct?
Adipurush.
But are you seeing a 4,000 crore fucking budget, bro? I'm not seeing that.
Have you seen better CGI in any Indian film? This
Abhi,
much
Brahmastra-
CGI and
Indian,
good CGI.
Indian. Why are you sticking to Indian CGI?
Indian?
Oh, dude, like
Because
also, I would say,
Indian film के ही हाँ बोल.
I would say like, see stuff like in movies like. So this is not my example. I heard this example repeated online, and then I agree with it. Okay, so it's not my example. But if you see
Okay.
Kantara 2, especially, okay, when it came out, I remember I really enjoyed that movie even more than the first one. I remember Snehal
Yeah, yeah.
did so.
Yeah, even I agree.
Even a bus. In that, like certain like backdrop shots, he did. For instance, okay, the green screen does not look as jarring or so obviously green screen as much as it does in this trailer. Every shot that they are basically in a forest surrounded by like some kind of foliage in the background, anything like that.
See, yeah, I agree. I
seems
agree that
very green screen. Like there's
I
no need to
agree
hide green screen.
that
Just do it well.
yeah, but then see when you say green screen, I'm sure when the Avengers are fighting Thanos, वो भी green screen ही है.
Agreed. Again, that's what, dude. See,
बट वो लगता नहीं है.
exactly. Green screen should not
Of
take
course,
you
यार,
out of the movie.
इतना बड़ा Thanos खड़ा हुआ है. Of course, it's CGI only, right?
No,
it's good
you know,
CGI.
Exactly, dude. The good CGI does not
So
disconnect.
the
you from
CGI in
movie.
this is also good, यार. See, ये रामायण का
It's
जो
good in
हमने
parts.
देखा
Dude.
ये-
It's good in parts, dude. You only said it's very video gamey. That doesn't make it good live action CGI.
It is,
It's good
but
for a
like
video game.
But that's when you see a video game, you're expecting CGI. So the sharpness of the CGI is what we assess the brilliance of a video game by. I am saying you can't apply that same thing for a live action movie because obviously movie में आप real life इंसान देख रहे हो तो आपको थोड़ा वो rawness चाहिए होता है. But I would say कि अगर CGI is the benchmark, so then this is actually pretty good CGI for a Hindi film. I
But
would
there
say.
are of course there are multiple factors. But
Like Snehal said, Arawat wala jo scene hai, the
हाँ, वो बहुत
winged
अच्छा है.
elephant looks really good. Jatayu looks really good.
जटायु लुक्स वेरी गुड.
Jatayu looks very
मुझे
good.
अगेन एज आई सेड कि मुझे जो सीजीआई का प्रॉब्लम मेजर आ रहा है दो जगहों पे आया है एटलीस्ट इन द ट्रेलर.
हाँ.
दैट वाज वन वाज द मॉन्स्टर्स दैट देव शोन द दानव दैट देव शोन.
Right. They
And
look
the
like
other
just
one is-
any other troll CGI. monster.
Exactly, yeah. And the second one is the elephant. Sorry. The second one is the other animals. जैसे जो रावण
Okay.
जो है
The
वो
lion, the tiger.
द लायन सेलर एग्जैक्टली
हाँ,
उनका
हाँ,
जो
वो तो-
चैरियट है जो शेर
Correct,
खींच
correct.
रहे हैं. हाँ भाई इससे बेटर सीजीआई छावा में था जब वो शेर से
Lions,
लड़ता है
yeah,
नीचे.
yeah, yeah.
तो वो उस कंतारा में भी उसमें भी था जब वो नीचे पिट में जाते और नीचे टाइगर होता है.
Yeah, so that's
Bro,
what.
so again, right? Sorry. So have you guys seen? So the trailer has also been shared on the Rotten Tomatoes ka official Instagram handle. Okay. Now, if you go to the comments there, so the white people are actually comparing this to RRR. Okay. क्योंकि उनका reference point वही है. Last 2-3 साल में the one
Fair
Indian
enough.
film they've seen.
Makes sense.
Right. So some
they're
of the
happy.
things तो मेरे
Are
को
they
लग रहा है.
happy?
Exactly. And the biggest, the most famous RRR scene is the वो जो cage से शेर निकल के आते हैं वो
शेर
वाला
निकल
scene,
रहा है,
right?
हाँ।
Yeah.
So some things तो like it seems like again because they're catering so much to the West, they are probably deliberately putting these kind of scenes के अंग्रेज लोग को समझ में आएगा अच्छा है. बट माई थिंग इज ब्रो, हमारे देश में अगर तुम किसी को बोल दो कि रामायण को RRR से कंपेयर कर रहे हो, इट विल ऑलमोस्ट बी टेकन एज एन इंसल्ट कि तुम
Yeah.
ऐसे किसी भी फिल्म के साथ कैसे वो
Dude,
कर रहे हो.
also, but you have to
compare
still
कर रहे हो. So,
understand
yeah.
that, dude, the budgets of this movie are way more than RRR. So if RRR achieved that,
Agreed, yeah,
that is
yeah.
impressive, firstly. And
Correct,
this
correct.
movie, if it doesn't blow you away with 4,000 crores, that's a missed opportunity. And how, dude?
Yeah.
ऑल्सो हाइप मीटर के हिसाब से ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मेरा यश एज रावण देख के हाइप थोड़ा ऊपर गया है. लाइक आई नो आई विल नॉट बी बोर्ड वाचिंग दिस मूवी एवरी टाइम यश इज ऑन स्क्रीन एटलीस्ट.
Sure.
Yeah.
So that change has happened.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, fair enough. You think we get to see the 10 heads in some way or form?
Of course.
Yeah,
100%. 100%.
But you mean
There is-
like
there is no
the way they
way.
showed it in Saif Ali Khan's 10 heads, like that kind of. Because it's 10
Hopefully
heads.
not again.
It's 10 heads. There is only like, I don't know. I hope they do something different in showing that the way they show the 10 heads.
Probably part 2, but we'll definitely see it.
Part 2 में हाँ, even I feel part 2.
Okay. Fair enough. Okay, fair enough. Actually, but he should get the 10 heads so in the first part only, na? Because it's part during the.
जो सिद्धि है वो तो पहले हो रही है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
तो पहले हो गए तो.
पता नहीं, हो सकता है दिखा है वो. We'll say it, yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed this trailer reaction. This is the kind of stuff we do. If this is the first episode or video that you've tuned in on this channel, please check out some of these others. The algorithm tells us that the video suggestion that you see at the end of this video is something that you will really like. So do that. Also, one last thing that we have to, again, we don't usually talk about enough is that more than half of the people who watch videos on our channel are not subscribed. So please do that. It's a very simple thing. It's free, of
Yeah.
course. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. That really helps us out in multiple ways, more than you know.
बस
That's about
ठीक
it.
बोल रहा है भाई उधर से.
हाँ तो सब्सक्राइब क्यों नहीं कर रहे यार? कर दो.
About not subscribing, not about us having to plug subscribing. The way you said it, I was like, is it okay? Stop chartoing the audience so much. They're not subscribe at all. They're not interested in this. But thank you so much.
Also, if you like the video, please hype the video. It helps us reach more people.
It does, absolutely does.
Yep.
सेल तू भी किसी तरह से प्लग कर ले. मेंबर्स बन जाओ. बोल.
मेंबर बन जाओ प्लीज मेंबर बन जाओ. हमने देखो हमने ये तो बताया नहीं कि हमने नया सीरीज स्टार्ट किया
Series,
मेंबर्स
yes.
yes we started a new series on our members only episodes. वहां पे should I tell them what the series is?
Yeah,
सकते हैं ना?
Become member, you find out. No, tell
नहीं but the series basically is that अब्बास अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से हम दोनों में से किसी को कुछ रेकमेंड करता है.
It's a
अंतरिक्ष
watchlist
अपने
swap.
टेस्ट के हिसाब से
swap.
स्वैप.
तू बहुत एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था. I thought I'll just make it easy for you, dude.
अरे तो करने दो ना एक्सप्लेन यार.
Sorry. Good.
बट ठीक है. सो बेसिकली स्वैप है. अब्बास अपने डेज के हिसाब से अंतरिक्ष को कुछ रेकमेंड करता है. अंतरिक्ष अपने डेज के हिसाब से मुझे कुछ रेकमेंड करता है. मैं अपने डेज के हिसाब से अब्बास कुछ रेकमेंड करता हूँ. और ऐसे हम परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन बनाते रहते हैं. एंड देन वी ऑब्वियसली टॉक अबाउट
We can actually tell them what the recommendations are this
this week.
or this time. For this time, I have gotten the recommendation from Antariksh for an anime called Bakano, and I have recommended Snehal a horror film called Heretic.
देख ली मैंने.
And Snehal, what have you recommended?
And
देख ली?
Snehal recommended
बढ़िया.
a movie.
And what have you recommended?
Snail recommended a movie called Sambhavan Adhayan Onu on Jio Hotstar.
हॉटस्टार.
हाँ.
Yep.
तो अगर
मस्त फिल्म
आपको
है.
जानना होगा हमारे क्या ओपिनियंस है इन सब के बारे में, become a member and we will discuss all of this in detail on the next members episode.
Yeah, and let us know if any recommendations you have for us to watch and comment on. We'll be happy to do that as well. All right, guys, that was the end of this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Bye-bye.
ऐसे ऐसे नहीं, देखो, सियापति रामचंद्र की
Jai.
जय.
जय.